We are closing fast. So wanted to make sure that you knew in case it comes up and you're struggling to get an offer accepted for a client. We are closing super quick. Closed one this morning, VA, 2-week turnaround time. Had one yesterday, Utah Housing, 2-week turnaround time. Had a conventional one last week, was also a 2-week turnaround time. So we are closing super quick, which is helping us be aggressive and win offers. We are beating out other offers because we can close fast. So obviously price is a huge thing, having cash available, above appraised value, things like that. But in a lot of situations, we're finding that people just want to close quick. They had a deal that fell through, or they decided last minute they're relocating or something like that comes up, and they need to just close as fast as they can. And so that is worth a lot of money. And so you don't have to be the highest offer all the time. You just need to be the fastest one that can close. So we are able to close super quick. Please let me know if I can help you out, if you've got someone that might need that. We're doing things, we've got a few systems in place, we've got a team set up so that we're accommodating that on a regular basis. We don't have to close that fast, but it just helps a lot of times where the seller can close quick, get rid of the contingency so that then they can move on and make an offer and get an offer accepted on another house. So a lot of times that's a very attractive thing. So if I can help you out, when I can help you out, not if, it'll come up. Let me know, would love to help. Also, in the email, click on the link to register for my class on May 12th, Prospecting Made Fun. If you've come to it before, you probably haven't implemented everything, so it's good to have a refresher. If you haven't come before, come, we have lunch, we have a good time talking about kind of top ideas and tactics to blowing up your database, having fun doing business, and getting away from cold calling and things like that that are miserable. Anyways, hit me up, call me with any questions. I'd love to help out. Thanks.